Supreme Family Garden here. Just want to show you guys what we're doing here. Actually about 2-3 years ago, we planted some fruit trees, and we planted them in an area that weren't getting a lot of sun. So what we've done is we've came back here. Before going any further, it was actually a good thing and a bad thing. The good thing was, with the cold weather we had last year, these are some of my fruit trees that actually made it. So I thank God for that one. Now what's happening is they're not getting enough sun, so I'm going to bring you guys along with me. And this is the project we've been working on. If you guys can see up here where I've cut down a few limbs that were actually hanging over this way. And when I cut those out, the tree probably stood up probably about another 9 foot. As soon as I hit the branches, it just swung up like, thank you Lord, got all this pressure off me. But anyway, it's out of here. This was one of my orange trees. Now this tree's probably about, I want to say about 5 years old. Now if it wasn't for all of this huge canopy that was here, this tree, that tree, and a few others that are in here would have probably died. But now that, okay, they survived, and I really don't think that, hopefully we don't get as much cold down here in Central Florida again, they're going to be okay. So what I did was, again, I cut a lot of this back, and I cut out a tree here, and some overhanging stuff, and you can see all the debris here. And so hopefully next year, guys, they're going to get a lot more sunlight, and they're going to be a lot healthier. And thanks to my lovely wife, she saw me struggling out here with this is a Stihl. Let me get it in close to you. ms271. Now she served a purpose. She did her thing. So I come home the other night, and she has a surprise for me, so I'm going to show you guys the surprise my wife bought for me. Check me out. This is a Stihl. What is it, honey? ms270. Let me turn it around. See that, guys? Farm boss. Talking about me. All right. Now this chainsaw here, guys, is phenomenal. So fellas, tell your wife Christmas present. Get one of these. They're well worth it, guys. Well worth it. Thanks, honey. I love you. Now I'm going to demonstrate just a little bit with the saw. Again, guys, Stihl ms271. It's a great saw. May God bless Supreme Family.